What's up guys, this is Lance Corey at Thrashin Supply, and today I'm excited to show you guys our all-new Apex floorboards. And so one of the biggest things you're gonna notice on this board is the size. You can see we shaved off the areas of the board that you're not really using. The biggest would be cutting off this corner right here. So the original board would measure in at a width of, a little over 4 inches. And our board in the same location where the mount would be is measuring at just under 3 inches. So you're saving an inch of ground clearance there because this is kind of where you scrape your bagger floorboards. We also added our scrape plate made out of deleon, which is a plastic. That way, if you do end up hitting the road, scraping while you're cornering, you do get a little bit more slide to it rather than it catching the road. Our deleon plastic scrape plates will be replaceable and available on our site. We offer this board the tail extension. The tail extension on these boards is gonna put you, at somewhat of a stock length, right? So that area that we cut off, you're gonna get that back. So you're not gonna sacrifice any length that you are experiencing with your stock floorboard. And the cool piece about this is that it has a 5-degree angle compared to the board, which actually helps grip you into the board a little bit more than just kind of sliding off of the stock board. And so if the added ground clearance from the 1-inch cutoff right here isn't enough, or you want to bring the boards a little bit tighter up to you, we do have floorboard riser kit. This adds a 1/2 inch to your floorboards to bring them up off of the ground, also closer to you. So originally the mounts would bolt right to your board like so, and that would be at the height of more or less what a stock board would be at. But you can now add this 1/2 inch spacer and you can see it seats itself in there proper, and then you would bolt it right back down. And then we just raised your board a 1/2 inch, which is that much more ground clearance, kind of brings the boards up a little tighter to you. So if this spacer kit is something that interests you, but you also kind of dug the tail extension, you can add this tail extension with the spacer. And then if I did bolt all this on, you will see now you have a little space and the extension to it. These Apex floorboards and all their accessories are made right here in America and available in hard anodized black and triple nickel plated chrome. All right, so we have the chrome Apex floorboards on my bike with the tail extension and the 1/2 inch lift. We have this paired with the Thrashin -1 inch shift arm, the billet shifter tip, the adjustable linkage, and our prototype easy shift. These products are available at thrashinsupply.com.